Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Crushers. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Hostinger. Whether you are starting a blog, creating an online store, or building a personal website, WordPress is a fantastic platform to get started. And Hostinger makes it super easy to set up. So let's dive right in. So first, let's go to Hostinger and we're going to create our account, or if you have one, you're going to log in into that. So go to hostinger.com and here you will find everything you need to create a website, and you will find up to 75% discount on hosting and website builder. So you can get a free domain, free website migration, and 24/7 customer support. You can see here for $2.99 per month, you can get 3 months free of hosting. And if you click on claim deal, you will see the plans. The most popular one is a business plan. I don't suggest you that if you're going for a personal website, or if you're going for like an e-commerce website, I suggest you to choose the business one. So you can click on choose plan. And here you will find the time periods. So if you click on 12 months, so you will get a free domain for first year. And as you can see, your total will be $35.88. But if you have a plan and if you have a hosting, you are going to continue. You don't have to get your hosting or plan. So you can make all the purchases here, you can complete all the details, and you can submit secure payment. And after doing this, you are going to log in into your account. And if you have the hosting one, you are going direct into this. So here you will be in the home page of hostinger.com. So here you will see websites, hosting, and you can see all the details and everything. So as you can see, I have already used 2% of all my plans. So we need to go to websites, and after going to websites, you're going to click on add website, and you're going to click WordPress. You're going to create the login details for the WordPress account. You are going to enter your administrator email and your password that you can complete. After doing this, click on next. And what type of website do you want to build? So we're going to choose a portfolio website, which is going to be a personal website, and we're going to click on next. And here you can choose your themes and pre-built websites. So I'm going to go with, let me check. So I'm going to choose only the theme, and I will choose and we are going to choose the most popular theme on WordPress, which is Astra, and click on next. And here Hostinger is going to recommend you some plugins for your website. And I also suggest you to add the Google Sitekit, which is going to help you to handle the traffic and analyze your audience. And click on next. And here you will have and here you will claim your free domain if you have one, or if you don't have one, you can buy it. Or if you want to go for a test website, you can click on use temporary domain, which we are going to use this one for this video, and click on use temporary domain. Or if you have your domain and everything, if you have purchased your domain, you can enter your domain directly from that window. So WordPress is going to install on our website. It might take a few minutes. And after this is completed, we will get into the dashboard of our created website. And as you can see, the domain is Greece Scorpion. The WordPress has generated a temporary domain for our website. So here you will find all the resources of your website. And to access the WordPress, you can click on admin panel. As you can see, we are on websites, dashboard, the website, and click on admin panel. And this will redirect us to WordPress admin area. As you can see, you will have on dashboard, you will have all the website setup steps. As you can see, you can upload your logo, customize your page, and you can also upload images and edit all site details. And also you will have the plugins, which is the most important thing for WordPress, where you can add functionalities to your website. And also you will have the Astra theme, which you can customize, and you can add themes, other themes to your website. So this is it. We can go and check our site for now. As you can see, nothing special here. If you want to learn more about WordPress and how to create websites using WordPress, I suggest you to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to make more videos about this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned to our future uploads. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Peace out.